Okay, good day. So we're going to download some for our PHP. So I'm going to open the browser. So just type some and go to this website, which is www.apachefans.org. So click the download. Now you can choose to three version of Apache. So the first one is with PHP 7.3. And the second one has this PHP 7.4, and the latest version of PHP is 8.0.2. So let's try the new version of PHP. So this is we are downloading some with a version of PHP of 8.0.2. Okay, so you just click save, and the file will be saved under the desktop. So we will just wait. Our download is almost complete. So we will just wait until the package is complete. Then we will install the XAMPP. Okay. So I guess it's completed. Okay. Now let's open the XAMPP. So it will prompt you that it asks that if you allow the XAMPP Windows with a architecture of 64-bit architecture, and you'll just going to answer yes. You'll just wait for it. So now another prompt appeared. So it is important to activate the user account on the system. So you just click OK. Then click next to continue the installation. Now here, it will ask you what are the different components that you're going to add to your sum. So leave it checked. Then it will tell you that it will create a folder named sum under this drive C. So you just continue. Okay, so I think I have a existing folder. Okay, so let's try to remove the folder first. So now that the sum is deleted, so let's try to continue the installation. Okay, so we're going to use the English language and just click next. So, okay, so click next again. So it's now installing. So it will take a while, so just wait till it finishes. Okay, we are almost done with the installation of SAMP, so let's wait. So now it's removing the unnecessary files to the system. And now it's done. So we'll just click finish. And that's it. We have our SAMP control panel. Okay. So I'll just close this SAMP control panel so you will know how to get it. Okay. So you just go to the window window button and look for SAMP. This one. Okay. Then you just choose SAMP control panel. Okay. Now inside the control panel you have there Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. So for now, we're just using Apache. Okay. So to use Apache or to enable Apache, you just click Start under the action. Okay. So your Apache now is running, or the browser web server is now running. Okay. So after you installed some, okay, there is a certain location where you put your files. Okay, there is a certain location. You just go to the drive C and look for the SAM folder. Inside the SAM folder, okay, you just look for the htdocs. Okay, so this is the this is the place where you put your HTML, the PHP code. Okay, for the meantime, I'm going. Let's create a file and we will save it under this directory, which is drive C, SAMP, and htdocs. Okay, so I'll just leave it there, and I'm going to open Sublime. Okay, let's try to create a basic PHP. Okay, so I'll just type simple PHP. Okay, that would display hello world. Will display hello world. Okay, then I'm going to save the file. So you save the file, make sure that the file is under the directory that I have shown you. So htdocs. So here is the htdocs. Okay, and inside the htdocs, you may now create, you may now save your file in this location. So let's say sample one sample one dot php and save. Okay, now that we have our sample one, we'll go to the browser. Okay, so I'm going to open another tab. Now you will just type localhost in order for you to access the web server. So when you type the localhost, by default you will see the welcome screen of SAMP. Okay, now instead of the dashboard, you just type the file, the name of your file, sample1.php, and you will have there the hello world. Okay, now when you're done, you could turn off your Apache. Stop. Okay, now that the Apache is turned off, once you access this file, okay, it will give you an error. See, because your web server is turned off. Now, if you want to get back to the turn on your web server, you just click start. Then after restarting the server, you will see the output come again. Okay. Okay. So I think that's it. So goodbye, guys.